Let's learn about letter B words with Boy B story, written by Tony B. One day baby boy was born. The baby boy celebrated his first birthday. However, the little boy was often sick. The boy went to school with his new backpack. Unfortunately, he became sick and could not go to school. The boy wanted to go back to school. The boy ate good foods, such as bacon, blueberries, bananas, broccoli, and beets. Also, he did a variety of exercises, including bodybuilding, bowling, and boxing. The boy told his mom that he wanted to go back to school. Mom was convinced and she told him that he can go back to school the next day. That evening he went to bed early and had a dream. In his dream, he was kicking a soccer ball and running around with balloons with his friends in the schoolyard. The boy woke up and opened his window. The boy heard the bees buzzing and the birds chirping. The sounds were beautiful. The boy waited for the school bus and rode the school bus to school. The boy was able to attend school in good health. We all need to eat a variety of nutritious foods and exercise to maintain a healthy life. Let's review B words. Baby, born, boy, birthday, backpack, back to school, bacon, blueberries, bananas, broccoli and beets, bodybuilding, bowling, boxing, bed, ball, balloon, bees, buzzing, birds, bus,